Now Sean has created some great charts using Excel and is particularly fond of this column chart which has the account manager's sales figures across the different quarters in 2016. But he wants to change the style of this graph so it fits with the corporate theme. It's a bit confusing right now because orange and yellow are the colors of their rival businesses. At Sean's work, most of the charts and graphs are always in shades of blue, gray, black. So let's see how Excel can help us. Click on the chart to select the chart, and now you'll see the Chart Tool tab appear in the ribbon as well as the Design tab in the ribbon. The Quick Layout button will help you quickly lay out your chart in different ways. For example, this button will move the legend to the right. There are several ways that you can organize your chart based on your preferences. You might want to have the sales figures written at the top of each column. Let's stick with this one, where all the columns for each account manager are next to each other with a slight break in between the account managers. Now click on Change Colors. Sean would like to print his chart in shades of blue. You've got colorful, you've got monochromatic, and then within monochromatic you've got shades of blue. Let's choose this one. While it's blue, it's a bit hard to differentiate because the shades of blue are quite similar to each other. And once it's printed, the differentiation between the shades of blue might be even less obvious. So let's see if Excel can help us any further. Click on Change Colors, try a different colorful tab. What about this one? Now we've got different shades of blue as well as some grays. That helps us easily separate the different columns and notice the different quarters. Your workplace may have inbuilt some unique color schemes for your workplace. So have a look and choose the color scheme that fits the corporate theme of where you work. Once you've chosen the colors that you like, Excel has different chart styles to give you quick styling of your chart. Have a play around and work through all of these and see which ones work for you. I'm going to go with this. All the account managers' names are clearly at the bottom in capital letters. The account managers are separated from each other with a thin vertical line. And then within each column are the sales figures for the different quarter. I've got the visual impact of the column, and if I want the exact number, that appears as well. That's my personal preference. Have a play around, see what works for you and for your corporate theme. You can not only style your chart in Excel, you can also change the chart type if you wanted to revert back to a totally different chart altogether. Let's choose the customer type sheet. We've got a pie chart that represents the relative size of the different customer types: consumer, corporate, home office, and small business. If you wanted to change the chart type, select the chart, go back to Design, and you've got a button called Change Chart Type. Click on that, and you can now change what type of chart you would like that to be. Let's say we want to go back to a column chart. Click on Column. You get a preview of what the new chart might look like. You can choose this, or you can choose this. Let's choose the first one. Now click on OK. And now your pie chart has changed into a column chart. What you've done is change the chart type.